we will showcase one of our most powerful and valuable tools, the WhatsApp button sender, also known as the WhatsApp bulk message sender. You're now looking at the dashboard of WhatsApp button sender. On the top right, you'll notice a few important elements. First, the version number. Next to it, there's the light and dark theme toggle. Click it once to switch to dark mode. Click again, and you'll return to light mode. You'll also see your license expiry date and a renew button right beside it. When you click the license button, a section will appear where you can enter your license key and view available offers bundled with WhatsApp button sender. It's that simple, yet powerful. On dashboard, you can find several options like devices, auto reply messages, welcome message, templates, and several other information. From left panel, click on devices. You can add devices to use with the WhatsApp button sender. From left panel, click on send messages. You will see option of sending messages using this tool, where you need to select template if you have already available with you. In phone number section, you have name, number, and several variables that can be used in the messages. On top, along with template and instance, you will get message type that you want to send using this tool, which consists of text, text with media, button, button with media, list, list with media, poll, and poll with media as options. Section, you can preview the message and then send with campaign name. Then in left hand side, you can have welcome message, where you can add a welcome message template for end users. Then auto reply section. Here you can add a predefined message to all the members. Then we have templates where you can create message templates to send. We have contact section where you can save repetitively used contact numbers. You can have unsubscribed section where you can find all the numbers who select opt out from the campaign. We have number filter that will be used to filter out all non-WhatsApp numbers. It has other options like clear non-WhatsApp number, remove duplicate number, clear invalid number, insert country code, and clear all. Also at top you can see download sample. By clicking on download sample, you will direct it to select the storage location for storing the sample Excel file for import. Then we have manual import, import, export, add to contact list, create contact list. Then we have group grabber where you can select the instance that you have added earlier and grab all the groups present. Then we have the report section which will show you all the available reports for WhatsApp button sender. Then we have the received messages where you can find all the messages of interaction with your customer, and lastly we have the settings. In settings you will find sending message setting where you can switch accounts for sending messages if you have configured multiple devices. Also you can set message delay between and. Then you have sleep mode, sending media options, welcome message setting, country and language setting for selection country code and language, unsubscribe button text option, storage section where you can get all the information about usage of storage by tool with retention period of the message and storage. Then there is other section which will give you flexibility to send notification on another number by inserting it in the option. So this is all about our WhatsApp button sender software. Thanks for watching. We'll meet soon on another video.